Hello everyone, maglaba tayo. Maglaba tayo. Operation laban naman kami. It's Saturday today, guys. Kaya operation laban tayo. Check ko muna yung mga packet. Baka may mga ano pa dito. May mga kayamanan na iwan. Tapos, ano natin yung separate natin mamaya yung mga puti. Hindi na ako nakakapag-edit, guys. At nakakapag-vlog. Dito, tumatahad na tayo eh. Wait. Mag-map daw siya. Mamaya na, mag-vacuum. You need to clean the bathroom first. Kasi may schedule sila, guys. May schedule sila. Every Saturday, they need to clean the bathroom, vacuum, mag-mop ng floor, at saka mag-vacuum. Tsaka yung magwalis sa taas. Quickly for those with the floor upstairs first.
No, Auntie, you do that.
No, Ati's gonna do it in the living room, in the kitchen.
Okay.
You is upstairs.
And you said Auntie was going to what? What Auntie going to do, Anna?
To wash plate.
And that's what she's going to do.
To go clean the bathroom.
And that's what she's going to do.
Sweep the floor in the living room, in the kitchen, and mop the floor.
And that's what she's going to do.
Nothing. As soon as
No,
you
you
finish,
said she will
clean the bathroom too.
No, she said you said she will do the vacuum too. Oh, that's on Sunday?
No, that is only a Thursday.
Oh.
You is.
No, you said Thursday and what? You said I have some days of vacuum.
Yeah, that's Saturday. It's Saturday and Sunday.
What?
Saturday, Sunday, you need to do vacuum the.
What about Auntie?
Ati's gonna do only Thursday afternoon.
No, you said Auntie can
Only
do it.
Thursday afternoon, she's gonna do the vacuum here. Thursday or Wednesday.
Yeah. Thursday, alright. Now I'm going to do it.
You need to clean the bathroom. You need to.
Okay, I'm going to do it.
No, you need to sweep hay.
What?
You need to sweep the floor upstairs first and mop. That's lastly.
Hi everybody. So today I'm going to clean the toilet. First, I'm going to put this.
Hello everyone, good morning. So, mag-prepare tayo ng snack ng mga bata, guys. Papainit ko ito, guys. Ham. Para ihalo ko doon sa kanilang bread. Ayan. For their snack. Prepare yung kanilang baon. Lalagyan natin ng mayo. Mayonnaise. Kalimutan ko pala yung gula. Kasi kaming latest, guys. So, tiis muna kami dito. Ubus na. Ito na lang yung natira. Ganyan na lang yung ating gagawin. Yung maliliit na. Kasi kinain namin yung iba kahapon. Ayan, sayang din. So, lagay na lang natin na ganyan. Tapos, lagay natin yung malaking hamon na ito. Makapal. Tapos slice natin, guys. Ayan. Slice na natin. Ito ay para kay tapos prepare natin yung kanilang apples. Prepare natin yung kanilang apple, guys. Nahugasan ko na to, tapos slicein ko na lang. Huwag ko ng kati kahapon, tapos namin ako. Tapos gusto niya, magawa naman ako. Tapos nagbuka niya sa stereo. Kasi late na kami kasi, guys. Nagbukas na. 7 na. Past 7 na. Pero madilim pa sa labas. Kasi kami na yung solution. Gusto natin bakso nila guys. Nilalagay mo sa ako guys para malitin nila ako. Ay, hindi ako dito. Dito na pa light. Basement. Ano ba siya sa basement guys? Basement na lang. No, we make one yesterday. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so maglagay tayo dito ng gamit. Yan kasi nakunting blueberry. So, lagyan na lang natin. So, ayaw kasi masyado yung anak kong lalaki tong orange. So, isa lang ilagay natin. What is it? YouTube food. The bread is there. The mayonnaise is here.
I literally saw it. How am I get? How am I trying to get it?
Binabalatan ko na guys para ano. Hindi na nila kailangan balatan kapag nasa school na sila.